Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Meka Putri Rianto with name 23101173 2008. And before we start, I want to ask about, have you ever feel bored when you are learning or teaching in class? For example, when you're teaching vocabulary or other material or answering exercise in class. So, what if learning English would feel more like playing game and enjoyable with a digital platform? So, as an English teacher, we have to learn to how to use a digital in learning. And then I want to explain. Today we're going to explore exciting about Bookcat. Bookcat is one of an educational online game that combines learning and gaming, so it makes learning more fun and exciting. It allows students to answer questions while competing in fun game modes, and also instead of completing traditional worksheets, we ask students to can learn through the interactive challenges. They can learn new, like how to learn in a digital one. And through the booklet, student can learn, practice vocabulary and grammar, and review lesson material, and improve participation in class and learning while having fun with their friends. Also, as a future teacher, it's important to use technology that can motivate the student how to learn and make them more exciting in class while they are learning. And then, as one of support learning object, as Bookcat is one of example of a digital learning tool that can make classroom activities more interactive and student-centered. And in this presentation, before I want to explain more about how to use the Bookcat. I will give a little spoiler about what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about it about what is Bookcat, what is the feature and the benefit, and how to create and use a booklet game, and for the last one, how it can be applied in English language teaching. So let's get started. Discover how booklet can transform to English learning in that an exciting experience. Let's begin.
So, here for the explanation, today I will present about Bluecat. We will talk about what is Bluecat. Bluecat is a web-based learning platform that combines educational content with interactive games. So, Bluecat allows teachers to create quizzes and transform them into fun classroom activities. So, students answer a question while participating in different game modes. So this platform can be used in many subjects, especially English language learning, by combining learning and gaming. So Booklet helps students stay engaged and motivated during the lesson. So for the next, we will talk about main feature of Booklet. Booklet provides several useful features for the teachers. First, teachers can create their own question sets or use exciting ones from the Booklet library. And for the second one is Booklet offers many games mode that make learning more exciting. And the third, teachers can assign quizzes as homework. Another important feature is report and analyze, which help teachers monitor students' performance. And for these features, make Bluecast an effective tool for classroom learning and assessment. So for how to use the Bluecast is the first one using Bluecast is create the account, and you have to create or choose a question set. Next, you have to click house, and fourth, you have to select a game mode. The last one is share the game idea, and then for the student have to join the game and then enter game ID. For the last one is answering question. So using Booklet is very simple. First, teachers create an account and prepare a question set. After that, they click the host button and choose in the game mode. Book Booklet then generate a game ID that can be shared with student. So to join, student can open the Booklet. There, just click join a game and enter the game ID. Once the game starts, student answer the question, and earn points based on their performance. So for the next explanation about look at is example of look at in English class. So for example, in an English class, a teacher can create a vocabulary quiz about holiday activities, and students join the game and answer questions related to the topic. Every correct answer help them earn point and reward. Through these activities, students can practice vocabulary while enjoying the game, and this is method encourage active participation and help students remember new words more effectively. For the advantages of look at is there is a few advantages. The first one it's like for the student and for the teacher, and for the student is increase motivation and encourage active participation and make learning more enjoyable, help remember lesson better, and for the teacher is easy to create and use, and instant feedback and result, and then helpful report and analytic, and for the last one is save time in assessment. So Booklet offers many benefits for both student and teachers. For student, learning becomes more enjoyable and motivating because it feels like a game, and then students are encouraged to participate actively and stay focused during lesson. For the teacher, Booklet provide instant feedback and detailed report about student performance. This information helps teachers identify student strength and weakness more easily. For the conclusion about Look at is an interactive learning platform, support English language for teaching, also improve student participation and suitable for all learning level. Look is an effective based learning platform that combines educational and gaming. It helps teachers create interactive learning experience and motivated to students to participate actively in class with various features and game modes. Booklet can support vocabulary learning, grammar practice, and classroom assignment. Therefore, Booklet is a valuable digital tool for modern English for language teaching. So, I will explain about how to replay a Booklet. First, student open their browser and go their website. We search about Booklet. Okay. And then the teacher start a game and display game ID, and entering the code student type the name. You can use this as a teacher or so here's how we create a booklet for learning as a teacher. First, you have to visit booklet.com and select sign up to create for a free account, and then here find a question to set use in your game. Use this and nextly use the search bar to search for a set that meets your needs, and this is view Booklet certify verify sets organized by subject in and grade in the Booklet curriculum section, and then click on the set to be taken to the set page, and we have to select as a host, and then you can choose select a game. After selecting game mode, click host, and then adjust the setting to fit your needs, and then select host now when you are already ready to begin. And for the explanation here is instruct student to join the game with one of the following methods. For example, you give the student QR code, or you can share the link in a group chat, or student can access the password. And then once all of your students are in the game, click start and you are ready to play. So this is for how to assign homework. You can click here assign now, and you can share the QR code to the student or link to the group chat. So here for the correct answer and who is got the correct answer, and that's it. By that, as a teacher you can do evaluation by how student answer, and that's it for explanation how to use it book.